Finding the right electric air duster isn't always easy, especially if you're looking for powerful airflow, reliable performance, long battery life, and a compact design. With so many electric air dusters available, not every model can deliver the powerful and effective cleaning performance you expect. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best electric air dusters selected based on power, performance, design, features, and overall value for money. So, watch until the end and find out which electric air duster is the best choice for PC, keyboard, car, and home cleaning. Let's get started. Number 5. WOLFBOX MF200 Compressed Air Duster. If you're looking for serious cleaning power in a compact package, the WOLFBOX MF200 immediately stands out. Its brushless motor delivers an impressive airflow of up to 87.5 meters per second, with 3 speed settings to match different cleaning jobs. What makes this model especially convenient is the removable 22.2 watt-hour battery, giving you up to 100 minutes of operation at the lowest speed, and easy battery swapping for extended use. You also get 4 nozzles and 2 brushes, making it great for PCs, keyboards, laptops, cameras, electronics, and more. At just 0.85 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry. Overall, the MF200 brings powerful airflow, versatile accessories, and excellent portability into one impressive cleaning tool. Number 4. 310,000 RPM Cordless Air Blower. When maximum power is the goal, this 310,000 RPM electric air duster really grabs your attention. Its high-performance turbo motor reaches an incredible 310,000 RPM on the 4th gear, giving you 4 levels of airflow for everything from keyboards and PCs to car vents and workshop cleanup. It also packs a 7,500 mAh battery, delivering up to 100 minutes of runtime on low power. The 5 nozzles and 4 brushes make it incredibly versatile, while the built-in LED light helps illuminate those hard-to-reach areas. I also appreciate the clear digital display and compact 0.78-pound design. With fast Type-C charging and smart safety protection, this air blower combines serious power with everyday convenience. Number 3. WOLFBOX MF100 Compressed Air Duster. You immediately notice how much power this compact WOLFBOX MF100 brings to the table. Its turbofan reaches up to 150,000 RPM, producing airflow up to 45 meters per second, while 3 adjustable speeds make it easy to match the task. For everyday cleaning, the 5 nozzles and 2 brushes give you plenty of flexibility for PCs, keyboards, cars, home projects, and outdoor use. One interesting thing here is the impressive portability. It weighs just 0.66 pounds, making it incredibly easy to carry anywhere. With Type-C charging in just 2.5 hours and up to 100 minutes of runtime on the 1st gear, it's ready for regular cleaning sessions. Overall, the MF100 delivers a fantastic mix of power, portability, and versatility. Number 2. 130,000 RPM Super Power Air Blower. Small size, serious airflow, that's the first thing that stands out with this 130,000 RPM electric air duster. Its brushless motor delivers up to 180 gains of blowing force and airflow reaching 45 plus meters per second, with 3 speed settings for different cleaning jobs. The 4 included nozzles make it incredibly versatile, whether you're cleaning keyboards, AC vents, car interiors, or electronics. It also works as a handy inflator and mini fan for outdoor use. With a rechargeable battery offering up to 240 minutes on the 1st gear, it's built for extended use. And at just 0.45 pounds, this pocket-sized blower is incredibly easy to carry. Overall, it packs impressive power, portability, and everyday versatility into one compact tool. Number 1. Fanttik B10 Pro Max Electric Air Duster. For a powerful all-around cleaning tool, the Fanttik B10 Pro Max brings some impressive technology into a compact design. Its 130,000 RPM brushless motor delivers airflow up to 65 meters per second, while 6 speed levels give you precise control for different tasks. Need an instant boost? The Mega Boost one-tap booster delivers extra airflow right when you need it. The built-in 28.8 watt-hour battery provides up to 210 minutes of runtime, and it can even work as a backup power bank outdoors. I also love the practical LED display and built-in light for easy visibility. With 4 specialized nozzles and 2 brushes, this palm-sized air duster is ready for PCs, cars, keyboards, and more. It's a powerful, versatile choice that truly stands out. Which of these electric air duster is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.